Have you ever started your washing machine and noticed that it fills with water, but the washer won't agitate or spin? Or maybe the washer makes unusual noises, gets stuck in a cycle, or simply won't shift between washing and spinning? One possible cause could be the washing machine actuator. What is a washing machine actuator? A washing machine actuator is an electromechanical component that helps control the movement or position of certain mechanical parts inside the washer. On many modern top-load washing machines, the actuator is connected to the transmission or drive system. You may also hear it called a shift actuator, depending on the washing machine design. The actuator receives electrical signals from the washing machine's control board and uses a small motor and mechanical mechanism to move the washer's drive system into the correct position. In simple terms, you can think of the actuator as a mechanical switch that helps the washer change functions. What does the actuator do? During a normal wash cycle, the washing machine needs to perform different operations. For example, it may need to agitate the clothes. Then it may need to stop agitating and prepare for spin. And finally, spin the basket at a high speed to remove water from the clothes. The actuator helps the washer's drive system switch between these different operating modes. The control board sends voltage to the actuator, and the actuator moves the mechanism into the appropriate position. Once the washer is in the correct position, the drive system can perform the required operation. What is the main function of the actuator? The main function of the actuator is to control or shift the washer's mechanical drive system between different operating positions. Think of it this way. The control board is the brain. The actuator is the device that carries out the mechanical movement. The control board tells the actuator what to do. The actuator then physically moves the mechanism so the washer can perform the correct function. Without that movement, the washer may not be able to properly agitate, spin, or transition between cycles. Where is the actuator located? The exact location depends on the make and model of the washing machine. On many top-load washers, the actuator is located underneath the washer, near the transmission, gear case, or drive mechanism. To access it, you may need to tilt the washer or remove a bottom panel, depending on the design. The actuator is usually a relatively small component with an electrical connector and a mechanical arm, gear, or linkage connected to the drive system. Important: always unplug the washing machine before accessing components underneath it. How do you know if the actuator has stopped working? There are several symptoms that can point to a bad actuator. The washer will not agitate or spin. One of the most common symptoms is that the washer fills with water but doesn't properly agitate or spin. The motor may run, but the drive system isn't being shifted into the correct position. The washer is stuck in one function. Another symptom is that the washer may remain in the same operating mode. For example, it may wash, but never properly transition into spin. If the actuator cannot move the drive mechanism, the washer may not be able to change from one function to another. The washer makes clicking or grinding sounds. A damaged actuator can sometimes produce unusual noises. You may hear clicking, grinding, buzzing, or repeated attempts to move. This can happen if the actuator motor is trying to move, but the internal gears or mechanism are damaged. However, keep in mind that other mechanical problems can produce similar noises. The basket doesn't spin properly. If the actuator isn't shifting the drive system correctly, the washer may fail to enter the proper spin mode. You might notice that the basket doesn't spin at all, spins intermittently, or the washer finishes the cycle with clothes that are still soaking wet. An error code may appear. Some modern washing machines monitor the actuator and drive system electronically. If the control board detects a problem, the washer may display an error code. The exact code depends on the manufacturer and model, so if your washer displays an error code, always check the model-specific service information before replacing the actuator. How can you test the actuator? If you suspect the actuator is bad, there are several things you can check. First, unplug the washing machine. Then inspect the actuator and its wiring. Look for broken wires, loose connectors, damaged plugs, corrosion, physical damage, broken gears or linkage. Also check that the actuator's mechanical arm or linkage isn't jammed. Depending on the model, the actuator can also be tested with a multimeter, and in some cases through the washer's diagnostic mode. The correct test procedure and resistance specifications vary by manufacturer and model, so don't assume every actuator should have the same reading. Don't replace the actuator too quickly. It's important to remember that an actuator isn't always the cause of the problem. A washing machine that won't agitate or spin could also have a problem with the drive motor, control board, wiring, gear case or transmission, capacitor, mechanical linkage, position or speed sensing, another component in the drive system. That's why proper testing is important before replacing any part. What is a washing machine actuator? It's an electromechanical component used in many washers to move or control part of the drive system. It helps the washing machine switch the drive system between different operating functions such as washing and spinning. Its main function is to physically move the drive mechanism into the position commanded by the washing machine's control system. Possible symptoms include the washer won't agitate, the washer won't spin, the washer gets stuck between cycles, you hear clicking or grinding from the actuator area, the basket doesn't spin properly, or the washer displays an actuator or drive-related error code. If your washing machine fills with water, but won't properly agitate or spin, don't immediately assume the motor or transmission is bad. The actuator could be one of the components responsible for the problem. But remember, always test the component and check the wiring and related parts before replacing anything. If this video helped you understand what a washing machine actuator does, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more appliance repair tips and explanations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.